हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम करेंगे 20 मिनट का मॉर्निंग योगा फ्लो। इट हेल्प्स यू वेक अप योर बॉडी एंड माइंड। नाउ स्टार्ट आर्म्स रोटेशन। यस, इनहेल, exhale, expand your chest and rotate your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yes, and reverse. Inhale, exhale, fully rotate your shoulder and arms. Continuous. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and relax. Now next, legs open, twisting. Yes, exhale, continuous both side. Inhale, exhale, more twist, exhale, side, inhale, center, exhale, another side, continuous both side, 3 times more. Now slowly, relax. Now side bend, open your legs. Yes, हाथ अपने थाइस के पास रहेंगे, chest expand and shoulder back. Side bend, slowly bend. धीरे धीरे पूरा आपको कमर को बेंड करना है और पूरा खिंचाव देना है अपनी कमर के ऊपर। लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड, एक्सेल साइड, इनहेल सेंटर, एक्सेल अनदर साइड, इनहेल सेंटर, एक्सेल साइड, इनहेल सेंटर, एक्सेल साइड, इनहेल सेंटर, एक्सेल साइड एंड होल्ड 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and center. Come up, another side and exhale down, more down, exhale and hold 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and center. Now forward, backward. Yes, inhale back, exhale down, inhale back, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, fully stretch your front body and exhale and your back body. Inhale back, exhale down, inhale, exhale and relax. Yes, swing your body left and right side. Totally relax your back. Legs straight. Completely exhale. Come on and relax. Yes, next join your both leg. Yes, back straight and arms straight. Inhale, heel up and down. Heel up and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Again inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, more stretch. Exhale down. Inhale again up. Down, exhale. Last one more. Inhale up, up, hold, balance, focus, hold, more stretch, more stretch, more stretch, और ऊपर and relax, relax your. Yes, back kick continue start. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Yes. Now top on the mat, open your legs, inhale arms up, join your palm, more stretch, expand your chest, and exhale, right side, bend and hold 3 times. 1, 2, 3, inhale, come up, another side and exhale, hold 1, 2, 3, inhale, come up, inhale back, hold 1, 2, 3, yes, and exhale down, forward fold, catch your toes, forward fold and hold, exhale, deep breathe in and deep breathe out, deep inhale and deep exhale. Yes, bend your knees, Utkatasana, hold, inhale, arms up, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, again exhale down, forward fold, catch your toes, more down and hold, exhale, 3 times deep inhale and deep exhale. Yes, again inhale, arms up, Utkatasana, heel up and hold, balance, hold 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale again down, forward fold, yes, and left leg back, yes, warrior 1, Veerbhadrasana 1, inhale, arms up, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, arms down, left leg front, yes, again right leg back and hold, warrior 1, another side, hold 1, 2, deep breathe in and deep breathe out, 3, 4 and 5, yes, and exhale, arms down and right leg front, yes, again exhale, go down, forward fold, catch your toes, down, deep inhale and deep exhale, deep inhale and deep exhale, yes, left leg back, yes, knees down, yes, inhale, expand your chest and open, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, right leg back and hold plank, hold 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left leg front, inhale, expand, open your arms and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes, and exhale, arms down and left leg back, hold 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, side plank, yes, left leg front, yes, right arms up and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes, another side, inhale, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very nice, and again plank, hold, 1, 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, again, yes, plank, Knees down, fully stretch. Stretch your body, side and hold. 1, pura stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Another side. Side change. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Again, plank. Hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And right leg front. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Right leg back. Left leg front. Inhale, left arms up. Exhale, left leg back. Again, inhale, right arms up. Exhale, left leg front. Exhale, leg change. Exhale. Last, one more. Exhale. Yes, again, hold plank 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, knees down, right arms and left leg back. Yes. Alternate. Yes, elbows and knee touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and exhale, arms down and legs down. Another leg, another side. Start. 1, 2, 3 and balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale, arms down. Yes, knee and chest down. Yes, inhale, cobra pose. Expand chest. Yes, exhale down 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. 3 times more. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Last one more. Inhale back and hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and child pose. Completely exhale and totally relax your body. Yes, mountain. Yes, right leg front. Yes, warrior 1 swing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back. Expand chest. Exhale. Down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. One more. Inhale back. And hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exhale, arms down. Leg change. Another leg. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Right leg front. Catch your toes and down and hold 5 times. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Yes. Again, knees bend, Utkatasana. Inhale, arms up. Hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Left leg back. Twist and hold. Join your palm. Hold. Legs tight. Hold 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down. Yes, left leg front, right leg back. Another side, twist and hold. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And exhale, arms down. Right leg front. Yes. Go down, forward fold. More down. Yes. Inhale, arms up. Inhale back. Relax. Close your eyes, legs open. Open your arms. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Feel the changes your all over body, your muscles, joint, heartbeat, pulse rate and breathing. पूरी बॉडी के अंदर एनर्जी को आप महसूस करें, एक नई ऊर्जा को आप महसूस करें। रिलैक्स। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। नमस्ते।